This is the kind of humidifier you use every day, not just like when you're sick. The soft mist adds moisture to the air without any noise or bright light. At night, the ambient light mode creates a low glow that is so easy on your eyes. That matters if you're sensitive to light when you sleep. During the day, it works on a desk, a nightstand, or a bathroom counter. It's small, but it covers personal spaces well. Bedroom, office, nursery. If your air feels dry or your space feels uncomfortable, this fixes that quietly in the background. Not to mention, look how cute it is.